this control panel up, but I want to show you a trick. Now this one's a little bit longer, but you can see these other ones are the shorter versions. But most people, when they hook up these buttons, they use these connectors right here with a little, just a little tab, and they don't work that good. It's not 100%. But in the classic arcades, they used these type. Like I said, this is a little bit long. These other ones are kind of short, but I didn't feel like, here, I'll turn this button. I didn't feel like going out to the garage. Let me loosen this so you can see how it just makes much crisper every time contact. So just while we're in the middle of this, this is a little tip that I've learned over the years, is that these micro switches with the little levers work 100 times better than the other ones.